afternoon, everybody. Welcome aboard the Lady Milford for your cruise this afternoon. My name's Maya, and I'll be telling you a bit more about this beautiful area as we cruise around. So on our right-hand side, our first point of interest is the Waterfall, 163 meters in height. This is the very same waterfall that this boat was named after. So they're looking beautiful today in the sunlight.
As part of our deal, we got a picnic lunch at the Southern Discovery Milford Sounds cruise. And inside it we have got a bottle of water. Looks like a sandwich, a 3 sandwich, bread sandwich, like a club sandwich. Some sea salt chips. Delicious double chip chopped chip. Cheese and crackers. Cheese square. Of course, when we're in New Zealand, some kiwi. And an apple. So it's not too bad.
Good size.
Yeah, it's
Good size.
good size for
Very generous portion.
but it's beautiful and so far.
Let's just get a quick look up outside the window from downstairs.
Of these trees are evergreens, not deciduous trees. They won't lose their leaves due to changes in seasonality. They stay beautiful and green all year round. This does mean that calling it a sound is a little bit wrong. We're not actually in a sound today, but a fjord. This is copper ore trapped up in our mountainside. You can also see some orange stains in the rocks, maybe just above the waterline. This is iron ore rusting and corroding in our salty sea air. Also, the white stripes all the way through the rock face are veins of crystalline quartz. Now, often where you find quartz, you can also find gold. They are formed under similar heats and pressures. This did excite some of our early miners, brought them into the area in the hopes of striking a rich. Just imagine trying to hack away at some of the hardest rocks in the world with pickaxes and shovels.
So this morning as we were travelling here, it was raining a lot. And lucky for us, it stopped raining just as we got on the boat. So we're very lucky. Absolutely majestic. Epic views. Supposedly this is the grand finale. When we come back, we will be going under that waterfall. I thought we were lucky that we had the sun's out.
This morning it was really overcast. We couldn't barely see anything.
Okay.
By the end of that first cruise, I opened right up home that day. It was really nice.
We have a couple of our longer lasting temporary waterfalls ahead of us. The larger on the right is the Fairy Falls, 80 meters in height. And on the left hand side, Pixie Falls at 90 meters. Here in Milford Sound is considered to be a drought. So if either of these waterfalls start to dry up, we know we're overdue for some of our rainfall. We are going to get a little bit closer to this waterfall here. Give you a chance to encounter a bit of nature. So definitely help yourselves to the raincoats we have on the main level. Get out to the bow of the boat. Definitely a beautiful experience. And just be mindful of your electronic equipment outside. Could potentially have a bit of spray coming over the bow.
Getting closer. Wow, beautiful. So beautiful. Ooh. You can feel the water.
We're done.
Whoa, spraying with water. Yeah, so I got wet a little bit, not too much, just my face. So we had our first waterfall that we encountered. It tasted a bit salty.
Yeah, just from the waterfall splashing into the water. I guess our next waterfall encounter will be
Twice as tall, or
yeah, twice as tall or twice as strong, something compared to this last one.
we'll see.
Getting ready to run.
Yes, I'm looking at which way to run to. She did say the left one was closing.
Yeah. I feel like I might be soaked after this one. Already here. Wet from it. Getting ready for waterfall dump number 2.
Us together. It's not as wet as the first one yet. I'm sure we're going to get there.
Closer. Waterfall dump. Have to wipe the screen off every like 10 seconds. Must feel wind coming off of it. Blowing up my hood. Did your coat up all the way?
Huh?
Yeah, there's a snapper.
Hands on my scarf.
Here it comes.
Any closer?
Apart from it, making its own wind gust. Here it comes.
Can't wait for this one. Very hard wind as well.
Some of which was trapped in between the ice and the rock, scratching these marks out as it carved its way through. Now, we've had a team of geologists in here studying these particular striations, and they believe at this point this glacier was moving at rates of 7 metres every day.
Wow. We are now 10 meters underwater of the Milford Sound. You can see all the aquatic life here.
The waste of the pipe, which then fills the actual skeleton coral structure of the coral. Shot waterfalls will typically produce themselves a calcium waste. That gives the corals a nice.
Are these all the flies? Sand flies?
Must be.
Very delicate.
The fish is just sitting there.
That power disturbs the water around it. It'll tuck down inside and keep itself nice and safe. Instead of feels for the winter season. Now we all operate thanks to the ladybone filter up on the left. The waterfall that gives us our domestic and drinking water and electricity via hydro scoop. The largest of two permanent waterfalls here at 163 metres. We should be strapped up in about 5 minutes or so. Just going to wait on a boats, just dropping off a few people, a few things there, and we'll be out of the way. And then we'll make our way back in there. So this gives you a moment or two just to chill out, have a look around, make sure you've got everything with you, ready to disembark out the back on the left. But also gives you a chance to take some more photos of the waterfall and the valley that we've travelled on behind us.
I don't know if you can see on the roof.
One of the kiwa.
So these Kia birds,
Is there one in the car?
there's one walking right next to us. They look like they're looking for food. If you have a look, they're sitting on top of cars. I don't know if you can see. And I think a lot of people feed them, so they stand around here.
In
they,
traffic.
Yeah, and they wait for food. There's one sitting on top of a car in front of us. But we're waiting for the bridge, and we were waiting about 5 minutes for the tunnel. Sorry, tunnel. I don't know if you can see it. And there's the birds.